Morning students, I hope you all are doing well at your places and today we'll be studying about adjectives. देखिए adjectives क्या होते हैं? विशेषण जो संज्ञा और सर्वनाम की विशेषता बताते हैं उनको हम describing words भी बोलते हैं. It tells the quality of a noun and a pronoun. So let's just begin with this adjective. So the title of our chapter is describing words or you can say the adjectives. You have to write your 4 qualities over here that आप कैसे हैं, you are beautiful, you are intelligent, you are skilled, right? So just read and understand that farmer is poor. देखिए farmer तो है but वो कैसा है, बहुत ही ज्यादा poor है. तो poor क्या है, adjective है. beggar कैसा है, blind है. Jaya is beautiful. Jaya तो खुद है, girl है but she is very beautiful. So in the above sentences जो words हैं poor, blind, beautiful, they basically what? They describes the noun जैसे कि farmer, beggar and Jaya. Hence they are the describing words और इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं, adjectives बोलते हैं, right? And thus we can say the words which describe noun and pronoun, that means which tells the quality of noun and pronouns, they are called the describing words or adjectives. Now just learn the following adjectives और उनके opposite. जैसे कि good का क्या होता है, bad, right? Rich का क्या होता है, poor होता है, right? First का क्या होता है, last. Right का wrong, right? Now long का short, right? Left का right, right? Now big का small. Next is light का dark, right? Clean का dirty. Dry मतलब सूखा, wet का मतलब गीला, kind मतलब cruel. Over here kind means good and cruel means very bad. Wise is foolish, right? Sharp बहुत तेज, कोई sharp है, this is blunt. Then it's cold and then it's hot. Hard का easy and new का it's old, right? Moving on to a quick recap, right? So the words which describe noun and pronoun इन्हीं को हम क्या बोलते हैं, describing words or you can say adjective बोलते हैं, right? Big, small, good, bad, rich, poor, etc. ये सब क्या हैं, adjective. Moving on to the exercise, first we'll be completing the correct answers, right? Adjective words किसको describe करते हैं, noun और pronouns दोनों को. This is the describing word, ये एक describing word है, that is good, right? This is not a describing word, that is man, right? You have to write down the opposite. Good का क्या होता है, bad, right? Long is short, big का small, wise का foolish, clean का you can say clean कोई चीज साफ है तो you can say it's dirty. Dry का wet, right? Next is sharp का blunt, old का new, cold का hot, dirty का clean, right wrong and first का last, right? So I hope you all understood about adjectives. Adjectives basically tells the quality of a noun and a pronoun. ये होती है विशेषण जो कि संज्ञा और सर्वनाम की विशेषता बताते हैं, इसलिए इन्हें describing words भी बोला जाता है. Please keep revising the previous concept. Please keep revising this, and a short homework for you that whatever source from you are reading, please make sure that you all will be underlining all those words that come across in between these sentences. That is, you will be underlining all the adjectives and just write down in your respective notebooks, and please keep smiling and stay blessed. Thank you.